the MMOD shield underneath to expose the hull of the habitation module that will be correspondent to the area inside the habitation module where the hole was detected back on August 29th, traced to the leak and a reduction in pressure inside that Soyuz spacecraft and the International Space Station. That hole was quickly patched up by Prokopyev.
Over your back, it's very far from the boom.
And now our first view from Oleg Kononenko's helmet camera as he looks at...
I think you can do that. Guys, I'm asking you actually. Let's cut it here. Look, to the right from you, I have cut this stripe right here. If you insert it right here, will that work for you? I will try to use this wire tie from under. So be careful because there are some sharp edges here. Yes, guys, of course, please be careful. And you hold it here, please. Because you can't fit it right there because... Oleg, and just for your information, so you have
the external hull of the habitation module of the Soyuz MS-09, which is the area of interest for inspection and sample collection of any residue of epoxy that may have extruded during the repair work that was effected by Sergey Prokopyev and Alexander Gerst back on August 29th to arrest the leak that was...
Move it away further, just to look inside. Okay, I'm moving it.